There's never been a better time to join me for the big Blooms Hydrangeas pack, because there's not only $200 off with the VIP code for one more week, but the recordings are all up in full for the additional bonus $900 worth of training to do this flushing pink hydrangeas. All about how to capture this lovely surface detail, the color crush of grape through to lilac, aqua, violets, and so on. And you're going to, even if you've never painted before, you're going to be able to do this. My students are getting extraordinary results. We're having ongoing painting reviews and painting support, so you haven't missed out on any contact. And it's all up there for you. Plus you get to do the blush hydrangeas. The reference for this comes from my place in France, and we've all warmed up using the turquoise hydrangeas, which takes you through all the details of how to create this texture and color and how to build your painting up to get that lovely depth and buckles and folds in the petals. But this is only available for one more week. I can't keep this open now. I've finished this and this is up in the pack. So join me now, and you've got a good 2 years to do it. Loads of painting reviews to come. You'll love the community. Everybody's so friendly and encouraging, and everybody, even the newbies, are doing wonderful work. So see you in there, don't miss out. And we've got some more painting reviews coming up. Love and Paintbrushes, Jacqueline Coates.